Hi, I'm Julia Good with Fitness by Jules Personal Training Wellness Coaching. I'm here today to show you exercises that can be done at the home, office, or traveling. They're very versatile and effective. These exercises are really great because they build on cardiovascular and muscular fitness as well as flexibility, three essential components of a balanced fitness program. And they don't require any special fitness clothes or large exercise equipment. So the first exercise I'm going to show you are seated jumping jacks. So you're going to point your feet, so feet on or toes on the ground, and your hands are going to go up on your side, so palms facing forward. And now you're going to extend your legs out to the side and arms up. So feet flexed, heels on the floor. And now back in, out, in. And you can do these a little faster to get some more calorie burn. And you're going to try to do about 30 of these. Good job. The next exercise I'm going to show you uses a resistance band. So I'm actually going to go and get that resistance band now. These resistance bands are great, these pieces of equipment, because as you can see they're very small. You can carry them in even your pocket, your purse, a briefcase, anywhere. And you can adjust them for fitness ability. They're very safe to use. So we're going to do a chest press. So this exercise is going to work your chest right over here. You're going to loop the resistance band around the back of your chair. If you're not sitting on a chair or some kind of seated object with a back, you can just loop it around your actual back. You're going to loop it around at mid-chest level and grab it at shoulder level. Now, your arms are going to be out to the sides, elbows bent, and now you're going to push forward, extending your elbows. Good. And you should feel that in your chest. Good job. And you're going to do 30 of these. The great thing about resistance bands is that you can adjust them, modify them for your own abilities. So if you want to make it a little harder, you can always pull the resistance band more, make it tighter. And that's going to make it harder. Make it looser, that's going to make it easier. Or you can pulse 1, 2, 3. That will make it a little harder. So you can always modify workouts. The next exercise we're going to be doing is going to be working your quadriceps, the fronts of your legs, your glutes or your butt, and the back of your arms, your triceps. So you're going to sit at the edge of your chair. This exercise doesn't require a band. You're going to sit at the edge of your chair, your hands on either side of your hips, your elbows slightly bent, your knees together, and now you're going to press down on those hands, really press down on those hands, and straighten those elbows, and you're going to kind of straighten up. You want to straighten up, but you don't want to lift your butt off the chair. Good. Squeeze those knees together, and squeeze your butt together. And now relax. Again, and now relax. And you can do 30 of those. The next exercise we're going to do concentrates on your hamstrings, the back of your upper legs. Big muscles. So you're gonna, in these exercises again, use the resistance bands. So you're gonna sit on the edge of your chair, both feet flat on the floor or the ground. Lean back, put the resistance band, loop the resistance band under the middle of your foot, straighten your leg, and lift up. So you're lifting up to your ability. If this is how much you can lift up, that's fine. Or if you can lift up all the way up here, that's fine too. The main thing is you want to keep that leg straight. So you don't want to bend it. You want to keep it straight. And again, like in the chest press, the more you pull the band, the harder it's going to be. So I'm pulling it harder now, and I can feel more resistance in that hamstring. So you're going to do 30 on this leg. That was the left leg, and then I would do 30 on the right leg. The next exercise we're going to do doesn't use the resistance band, and it works the abdominals, the stomach, the inner thighs, and the quadriceps again. So we're going to extend one leg, cross our arms over our chest, and as we lift that leg up to the other leg, we're turning our torso in the same direction as the leg we lifted. So to the left. Turn. Turn. This is a Pilates inspired move. Turn. Rotate that torso. So you would do 30 on one side and 30 on the other side. Good job. The next exercise is, again, using the resistance band. This exercise works your hip abductors, which is your outer thighs. So we're going to wrap the band around your thighs a couple of inches above the knees. You don't want them on the knees because that's going to stress the joint. And knees together, feet together. Make sure those feet stay on the ground, stay grounded, and you're going to go out with those knees in. So the further you go out, the harder this exercise is going to be. If I just went out here as opposed to out farther, it would be easier. And the more I wrap the band around my body, the more resistance that I have, and the harder it's going to be too. So that's ways that you can modify the exercise. And you would do 30. The last exercise I'm going to show you doesn't use the resistance band, and it works your back, which is very important to protect because as we get older, we're very prone to back injuries, and our stomach. So we're going to hinge at our back, put our hands on either side of our temple. So hinge, so just your shoulders should be touching the back of your chair. I have a very high chair that you can see, so my head is touching. But if you didn't, yeah, just your shoulders are touching. And then you're going to bring your body forward, and your elbow is going to cross and touch the opposite knee. Good. And again. So if you can just come here, so if you can't come all the way down and cross that knee, that's fine. Do what you can. So you would do 30 on one side and then 30 on the other. I hope you enjoyed these exercises. Contact me and I'll show you other exercises that you can do as part of a complete fitness program. Thank you very much.